Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Back up your iPad to iCloud or a computer, confirm Wi-Fi is stable, and have the current Apple ID password ready. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Make sure you've disabled any active subscriptions or app passwords that must be transferred. Tap Sign Out, then follow prompts to keep a copy of contacts, calendars, and Safari data on the device so nothing is lost during the swap. You'll be asked to turn off Find My iPad. Enter the Apple ID password to disable it. This is required. Next, the device lists iCloud data types. Choose to keep a local copy of contacts, calendars, and Safari if you want them on the iPad. Tap Sign Out one more time to remove iCloud and Apple ID links from the device. After the sign out completes, the iPad is ready for new Apple ID or to sign in with an existing alternate account. Now sign in. Open Settings and tap Sign into your iPad, enter the new Apple ID credentials, and follow email verification and two-factor prompts. Once signed in, review iCloud, iTunes, and App Store settings and re-enable Find My if desired, update payment methods, and re-download purchases. If verification fails, make sure the device has internet, restart the iPad, and check the email for the code. If problems persist, reset the Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.